it's Bianca from Planning with Love. Today I have a fun unboxing. I will be unboxing the SKECHERS Premium Heritage Limited Edition tennis shoe collection that has recently come out. So out of the tennis shoe line, I bought two. I bought the red with rhinestones and I bought the white with rhinestones. They are priced at $125. I actually bought them during their sale. It was 28% off for SKECHERS 28-year anniversary. Also, the other colors they came in were like a black and white, a white with tan, and then a black on black. I can link down in the description the links for the whole entire line for you. But today, like I said, I'll be unboxing the red and the white. So first we have here the white tennis shoe. As you can see, I will give you more info on the actual item number, but this is the white on white that I'll be opening first. They gave you these little cards, a thank you card by SKECHERS, and it says, "Thank you for choosing SKECHERS. We hope you love the product as much as we enjoyed creating it. Our goal is making your life easier, more comfortable, and fun. We look forward to seeing you again." It also came with a card stating that these shoes are limited edition by SKECHERS. The card says, "SKECHERS designers collaborated to create this one-of-a-kind limited edition collection, crafted with ultra high-end materials and on-trend embellishments. In celebration of our heritage, we feature 5 iconic designs, including our original SKECHERS Energy, classic SKECHERS Delights, as well as our freshly updated Delights 3.0 Air. These styles are exclusive to our stores." I would just like to note something, that having a thank you card and having a card like this, I normally see with designers such as Louis Vuitton, Gucci, even Coach, and a couple of other little designers or big brand name designers. It's really cool that SKECHERS has really, I think, come up in the world to even have a thank you card and have a card like it's foil. It's beautiful. It's very cool for SKECHERS to do this. So again, the first one we're going to be unboxing is the white tennis shoe. Also, this is a pretty cool box in itself. Like, the box is a drawer box, so I really like that feature. Alright, these are the white tennis shoes by SKECHERS. They are called Good Fortune, and I can see why. They are completely rhinestoned out. It's really cool because these are actually removable from the laces. They have this metallic-y rainbow embossed snakeskin. These are 100% leather, which I would say for $125 is really good for the price. They also have the memory foam inside, air cooling memory foam. And here's just a side view. The back also has the crystals, and I'm just in love with the white. You can dress these up, dress them down, jeans, dress, whatever you go for. So I'm very happy with the white. Let's see after this which everybody prefers, but here's the white. Next, we're going to be moving on to the red tennis shoes unboxing. The red is called Stunning Gem. Let's find out why. Here is the red tennis shoes. Now these are what I'm talking about. For the glam girl, glam goddess in your life, just be whatever you want to be with these tennis shoes. Like Dorothy, go home. Like, these are amazing. I'm obsessed with these tennis shoes. Again, leather. They are the same price as the white for $125. The gemstone here at the front is actually detachable. And let me just show you how you can detach it. Again, a very little cute tag. Right here is a Velcro, and you would just pull the gem off like so. And the other side has the Velcro as well. But I have a feeling if you're buying these tennis shoes, you're buying it for the gemstones, and I wouldn't see really a reason to remove them. I mean, if you do, you do, but let me tell you, they're never gonna come off this shoe for me. So it's very easy to put back on. Again, you just Velcro the side, and that's all. They also have this cool gold embellishment here, and they're not very heavy. Like, they're heavy as in good quality, but they're not heavy as in you're gonna feel like them weighing down on you per se. And again, these are also air cool memory foam inside as well. I'll throw a picture later of me wearing them and I'll try them all day. I have a feeling, because I own a few other Skechers with the air cooling memory foam, and I love them. They last for years. Also, something to note is that the red have snake embossing as well on them, so that is a very fun feature. I'm just very happy with them. Talk about the balancing act of the century. Let me know which pair you prefer, the red or the white, or if you actually end up getting any of the other colors that Skechers offers. For me, I bought both of these because I figured that I would get the most use out of them and that they would be the most versatile for me to wear. So again, they were $125 and they are just adorable. I love everything about these tennis shoes. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Please feel free to leave your comments in the section below. Let me know out of the Skechers Premium Heritage line which tennis shoe you will be getting. Will it be the red, the white, or one of the other great colors that they offered? I hope you all have a great day. Please remember to like, subscribe, and always remember to plan with love. Bye!